Ask most Dallas rental owners what their property costs, and they'll probably mention the mortgage, taxes, and insurance. But those are only the obvious expenses. The costs that can really hurt your return are often the ones you don't see coming: a vacancy that stretches for months, a tenant who stops paying, a small repair that becomes a major expense, or a compliance deadline that gets missed. Smart property management is about catching those problems early, before they become expensive. Vacancy isn't simply an empty property, it's income that disappears while your expenses keep coming. Effective management helps reduce that gap through accurate market pricing, professional marketing, fast lead follow-up, organized showings, and proactive lease renewals. The goal isn't just to find a tenant, it's to keep your rental producing income consistently. The biggest financial risks often start small. Weak tenant screening can lead to unpaid rent, property damage, or a costly eviction. Ignoring a slow leak or aging HVAC system can turn a manageable repair into a major expense. Every move-out can also bring cleaning, painting, marketing, leasing, and administrative costs. And in Texas, missing property rules or required documentation can create an entirely different kind of financial risk. Good management is designed to prevent these problems, not simply react to them. Preventive maintenance can make a huge difference in protecting your investment. A slow drip can become water damage. An aging HVAC system can fail at the worst possible time. And storms, electrical issues, or frozen pipes don't wait for convenient business hours. A strong management team coordinates inspections, preventive work, licensed vendors, and emergency response while also keeping up with changing Texas and Dallas requirements. Then there's the cost owners often forget to calculate their own time. Managing a rental means answering tenant calls, coordinating repairs, advertising vacancies, screening applicants, collecting rent, managing vendors, and tracking expenses. For owners with careers or multiple properties, that can quickly become a second job. Professional management takes those daily responsibilities off your plate while giving you organized reporting, clearer financial visibility, and more confidence in how your property is performing. Your rental property should be building wealth, not creating a constant stream of unexpected expenses. With the right systems for leasing, tenant screening, maintenance, compliance, rent collection, and reporting, you can turn unpredictable costs into a more stable investment. Pioneer One Realty is ready to help Dallas area owners protect their properties, reduce avoidable losses, and focus on the returns they invested for. Reach out today and let smart management work for you.